So what we're looking at here is the Unipit Vortex Series 300 and the different types of grates that you can put in to finish it off. It works really well because you've got these 4 lines here. Water has to find its way to the center because the drain part is actually lower. So when it stops raining, you don't end up with any still water, which means mozzies can't lay eggs and it won't ruin the great outdoors for us. Now, as far as the size goes, externally, it's actually 334 mil by 334 mil. The reason why I like it, it's a medium size, it fits really well and looks in scale to large format pavers and tiles, which are very common and popular at the moment. When it comes to fitting, I like the fact that it's a vertical drop because you don't have to set your heights. And by that I mean your stormwater pipes and your runoff can be a lot lower. You have vertical risers, just put more than what you need, and when you're finishing off your lawn, your paving or your concrete, you can cut it down to the right height, slide this over, and you'll end up with perfect heights and look like a pro. Now on the bottom, you can fit a 90 mil stormwater like this internally, or you can get 100 mil stormwater and fit it over externally. As far as the finishes go, you've got the plastic, 100% UV protected, Australian made. It comes in green. You've got aluminium, either raw or powder coated into a range of colors. Galvanized, this one perfect for a driveway, open surface, will pick up a lot of water. But I do recommend if you're putting it into a patio or a veranda or anywhere where pedestrians are, that you go for the heel safe one. It just means people aren't going to roll on it, damage themselves or damage their shoes. And then you've got the ductile iron for a classic look. There you go. There's the Vortex range and the finished products. What you're looking at is this, so choose wisely. All our information about the product and the local retailer is on our website. Good luck.